Hello, it's Peter again. We moved into this house about 2.5 months ago, just before Christmas. One of the first things we noticed was that the wind was blowing in with the rain into the back door and making it very cold in there, and it wasn't very good when the dog was coming in. So we decided to put on a lean-to, nothing too fancy, but a simple lean-to to stop the rain and the wind coming in and to try and keep the house warmer and so reduce the amount of energy that we use. The lean-to is a simple wooden structure, very easy to put together. It came in 5 parts. It came with a front section, a side, separate door, another side, and then the roof section, and it came ready installed with the polycarbonate sheets already in it. I made a modification fairly quickly, which was just to remove these clips which had been stapled into the roof section, and I've just drilled them out and put screws in them, which allows us then to remove the polycarbonate sheet and get up inside the lean-to to maintenance and so forth. We needed to make the lean-to high enough to miss the back door and the window, which is why we put in 2 courses of bricks and a wooden support underneath. Very simple, nothing terribly fancy. My brickwork's not very good, but it's adequate for what we need. And this allowed us to raise the lean-to to the right sort of height. It was very simple for 2 of us just to put it together and screw the thing together. But one of the things that they insist on is that very early on, after you've put the lean-to up, that you actually preserve it. The treatment that they suggest is this wood and wood satin protection, which is a stain effectively. We bought this to go with the lean-to, but then once we put it up, we decided that actually we'd prefer it to be white to fit in with the rest of the house. So you can see that at the moment we're in the process of putting a white undercoat on, and we're going to top that up with this Dulux weather shield in white, so that the whole of the outside looks white and fits in more pleasantly with the house. One of the problems with having to raise the lean-to was that we ended up with quite a step over the door jamb. So that meant that what we had to do was to put in a false floor, which we've done with decking. It's a very robust and well treated material, and therefore that was fairly simple. We just put that on some wooden lathes, and it's raised the inside up quite nicely to the right sort of height, so that there's effectively no step between the lean-to and the kitchen. Outside we've had to do the same sort of thing, and this is just a temporary structure at the moment. We had one length of decking left over, and therefore what we've done is to make up a simple little step. It's separate, it's loose at the moment, but at the moment it's doing the job and working fine, so we have no intentions of changing it just at this moment in time, and it allows us to get in and out easily without falling over the door jamb. So I'm going to carry on with the undercoat and the top coat, and hopefully we'll be able to show you that completed at some future date, but for the time being, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you very much.